Just imagine a frozen volcano. When we watch it from outside, it looks so calm. But we cannot see the fire which is inside it. Our mind is just like a frozen volcano. Though it seems calm, but at times it may be weeping or may be burning with lots of emotions. Once it reaches the peak level, it will burst out like a volcanic eruption. Similarly, depression is the result of a series of thoughts and emotions which will not be happening all of a sudden. Now the question is whether depression is the end of our life. So let's think about depression and the ways through which we can fight depression. Okay, so welcome all. This is Arya and welcome to my channel. As I already said, depression is not happening all of a sudden. There are a series of thoughts involved in it. Now you please remember those days when you were depressed. If you underwent depression in the past, then I must say that you are a winner. Because now you are watching my video, you are using your brain, you overcame that difficult situations. There are a lot of causes of depression which includes ill health, separation, death, etc. Now you must realize that depression is not sadness. Depression is a complex term to define. In my point of view, depression is a loss of expectations or loss of hope. Why? Because we all have a lot of dreams, lot of hopes, lot of expectations, and when we feel like nothing is happening according to our wish, we start blaming ourselves. Not once, not twice. Again and again, we teach our mind that I'm not good, I'm a burden for everyone, no one likes me, my life is a tragedy, I'm a total failure, etc. Here the main villain is we who fill our brain or mind with negative thoughts. We are unconsciously becoming a victim of depression. Instead, what we should do is overcoming the situation through our conscious efforts. Believe in yourself. No one can control you until you allow. Nothing can conquer you until you permit. You know, we all came here for a reason and we have to go from here for another reason. We are gifted with a beautiful life that we have to live. We have to enjoy the maximum. We must write our name in the history. Why are you complaining? Why are you not happy with what you have? Have you ever seen the beautiful face when you cry? Have you ever realized the beauty of hope once you failed? Life is incomplete without pain, failures, happiness, emotions. You know, as a human being, we must ready to face all these situations. Once you go from here, you must be happy, living no more dreams and no more worries. Now I would like to share with you some tips or techniques which will help you a lot. First one, start loving yourselves. Please love yourselves again and again and again. Which will definitely boost your confidence as well as make you happy. Love everyone around you unconditionally. That's the second thing. Third one, be active always. Engage in those activities which will make you happy. We all know an empty mind is the devil's worship. So be active always. Though there are a lot of other remedies to fight depression, the most effective one is taking control of your mind. Always teach your brain that you are extremely happy with whatever you have. Every day before you sleep, try to thank to the whole world, whole universe. And please smile always. Once you succeed in this fight with problems or depression, you will definitely realize the power of your mind. Nothing is impossible when you use your brain in the right sense. Let's fly beyond the sky, beyond the limits. Thank you all for watching this video.